Introduction of UNESCO. UNESCO is the National Scientific and Cultural Organization. It seeks to build the peace through international cooperation in education, the science, and culture. UNESCO program contributed to the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goal defined in Agenda 2030 adopted by the UN General Assembly. UNESCO U means United National Educational Scientific Culture. History of UNESCO as early as 1942 in wartime government of the European countries which were confronting the Nazi Germany and its alliance between United Kingdom for the Conference of Alliance Minister of Education, and the second war was far over it. Those the countries were looking for way and means to reconstruct their system of the education once peace was restored. Very quickly, the project is gained momentum and soon took on universal notes. New governments, including the of United States, had decided to join in. Then, objective of UNESCO attain the quality of education for all the lifelong learning, mobilizing science, knowledge, and policy for sustainable development, addressing emerging social and ethical challenges, fostering the cultural diversity, intercultural dialogues, and the cultural of peace. Organization focus in particular on way global priorities, Africa and gender equality. The structure of UNESCO it has the 26 193 member state and 11 associate member as we partner of the non-governmental and intergovernmental private sectors and headquarter of the UNESCO in the World Heritage Center in the Paris. UNESCO has a 43 regions field office in the and 199 national commissions. Structures: General Conference, Executive Board, Director General, and Secretaries. This is the General Conference of UNESCO and Executive Boards of the UNESCO. This is 20th session of the UNESCO General Conference elected the Audrey Azoulay of Director of General UNESCO and succeeding the Irina. She took office on 15 November for the 4-year term. Secretaries consist of the 4 Director General and the staff appointed by the him or her for as of mid 2019, and secretaries employs around 2000 civil servants for 117 for some 170 countries, and staff divided into professional and general service categories. For more than 700 staff members work in the UNESCO 65 field office around the world. This is the UNESCO organization chart. This Director General and Office of Ethics. Then educational sectors. It has the general, natural, scientific science and sectors, social human science sectors, cultural sectors, communication information sectors. UNESCO in offices in Africa, Arab states, and the Asian and Pacific countries, European and North American countries, America and Cambrian. The functional area of the UNESCO: education, most and science, cultural, communication, and the information. And what about the science sector of the UNESCO? Word would to advance to promote the science and interested peace, sustainable development, and human security being close. Then programs are natural sciences is man and the biosphere programs, international geoscience and the geopark programs, international basic science programs, cultural, uh, the convention of the safeguarding of the intangible cultural heritage, cultural sector of the cultural convention and the programs play a unique role of the promoting the human creativity and safeguarding the cultural heritage first. Then finally, the work of UNESCO is cultural and communication information and demonstrated that the language is key how we understand and preserve the words and show how to concept of biodiversity and the nature. World Heritage Sites foster freedom of the expressions, media development, access to information and knowledge. In this, UNESCO is mandate promote the free flow of idea and word image. African countries and gender equality, women make the more than two-thirds of the according to 50 millions of the adults without basic literacy skill, and women respect the less than 30 of the world's researchers. UNESCO believe that all of it discrimination based on the on gender and violations of the human rights. 2030 Agenda of Sustainable Development and 17 Sustainable Development Goals. So, five primary sectors area of the UNESCO's local people, youth, small islands, developing countries. Under then conclusion of the UNESCO is the main function of the UNESCO are the ensure that every child has access to proper education and promoting the cultural acceptance between the national while promoting historical sites and improving technology to aid and the distributed of the resources and the energy and recruit safety and individual expressions and basic human rights. Thank you so much. This is the references.